Hello there. In today's screencast project, I will be showing you guys how to make a simple and easy house in Google SketchUp. Google SketchUp is essentially a 3D modeling software that both engineers and designers use to create models of their future designs or proposals. This software is also used nationwide from private companies to even mega corporations due to its easy use. In this video, we will cover the basics of how to create a house, as well as some of other fundamentals that will help you on your way to learning this software. So let's get started. First off, we're going to go up to the taskbar, click the shapes, and grab a rectangle. We're going to go down here on our planes, and then drag and move just to about like that. So that's going to give us a full rectangle. Now we can see this rectangle in a 3D fashion by going up here to the orbit tool and clicking and dragging, and we can see it from all different sides and angles. Now to give this house some depth, we are going to get our push-pull tool up here and push and select it to about, we'll push it up to there. So now we have a 3D box essentially. And this box is completely filled. So that's how the software works. Next, we're going to start on our roof. So we're going to grab our line tool up here, find the midpoint, which would be in blue. Endpoints are in green. So midpoint, and we'll drag up to about there. And then we're going to drag it down to our endpoint down here, and that'll fill in a shape for us. And we'll do it the same to the other side. Now we're going to use the orbit tool and come to the back. And now we're going to find the midpoint and drag it up until we see a blue line. There it is. That blue line lets you know that it is even and level with the other side. So you can drag it over to there. And now we're going to drag these down. Just like that. And now we have a house with a roof. So next thing we're going to do is clean it up a little bit so we can grab the eraser tool and remove that line right there. So next thing we want to do is create a door. So we're going to go up here to the rectangle tool again, come down to the bottom, and we'll do a little door just like that. Okay. Next, if you want a doorknob, you can go on the circle tool right here, zoom in with your mouse pad, and just choose and select that, just like that. So actually that door doesn't look that good to me, so I'm going to grab the eraser tool and erase all the sides of the door, just like that. So now you can go back and create a better door. I like that a lot better. And we'll go ahead and put our doorknob back on. So lastly, I want to show we can paint. And in this software, there is plenty of textiles and fabrics and colors and synthetic surfaces, wood patterns, water patterns, a lot. So we're going to go up here to the siding tab, and we're going to pick a siding for our house. I like this stone, and then we're just going to select all of our sides. Remember, we can use the orient tool to see all sides and just keep painting the house all the way around, just like that. Good. Next, we're going to go down to the wood tool and we'll select this wood bamboo for our lovely door. Then we'll find a nice color. Maybe we'll do a light yellow for our doorknob. Awesome. And last part of the house we want to put on would be the roof. So we'll go to roofing and we'll select the red. The red looks nice. And we'll go all the way around just like that. And that is it. There is your basic house. You can pan around with the pan tool and see all different sides of it. You could add windows or pull things to 3D shapes. But that's all we're going to get into for this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope this was entertaining, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.